5 Best Steam Cleaner for Bed Bugs Reviews. Number 1. Deuprenate Heavy Duty. In the budget range, Deuprenate is a minimalistic and light cleaner. At the time of full heating, its liquid temperature can turn to 135 degrees Celsius or more easily. That's why this is better to kill 99.9% of bacteria, viruses, germs, bed bugs and other unexpected things from the bed. As liquid of steam, it needs water on it which can perform 50 minutes long. No chemical or unexpected use. The most attractive part of this steam cleaner is you can clean your floor and other surfaces besides the bed. You just need to cover it streaming and by the towel. No need to use pads or other things. Moreover, the company will give a 2-year service warranty.
Number 2. McCulloch MC1275. A few of company offers steam cleaner with a jet nozzle. McCulloch MC1275 is such of the cleaning device that you can take to use in the home in a limited budget. Its compact design will give you the freedom to use it as a steam mop or bed bug cleaner. Its inbuilt 45-ounce water container can contain water for 45-minute service. But the interesting thing is you can use it for exactly 45 minutes without any waste. Because it has a trigger button that can lock that you can use when you need it. While steaming it creates 43 pounds per square inch pressure with extreme heat. That is enough to kill germs, bed bugs and remove the unexpected mold.
Number 3. Pure Enrichment. For heavy-duty need, Pure Enrichment is the best bed bug steam cleaner. Its minimalistic design will draw your attention easily. Because it is 7.05 kilograms in weight, it has a couple of wheels to move anywhere. Even it has hand carry opportunity on its top. It can contain 1.5 liter water to generate steam which can give service up to 45 minutes easily. There you will have 16 feet long power cord with it to cover steaming all the surface. Moreover, to management the cord, there is a built-in cord wrapped system. It cleans grease, mold, sticky, stain and bugs too by its high pressure water stream, not using chemicals.
Number 4. Dothouse Smile Cleaner. People who want to avoid the liquid refilling burden, but want something more productive, House Smile Cleaner is for those people. Its updated technology releases itself from water streaming and hose connection and other. Rather, it is such type of device that you can carry on your hand. To cleaning it have used advanced HEPA filter. It can kill bugs to 0.3 microns germs, which are 99.9% cleaning. It has 253.7 nanometers UV tube, which increases 20% more cleaning rate from the deep of the bed, pillow, mattress, carpet or blanket. At the same time, it is working as the vacuum cleaner. Its 6,000 cycle per minute suction rate is handheld and suck all the unexpected things. Number 5. Steamfast SF370WH. In the budget range, Steamfast SF370WH will give you high-pressure steam cleaning. This will take away all the bugs, insects, germs from your bed. Because of high pressure, it will not only clean but also remove odor and restore the fresh smell again. In a water tank it can contain 1.2 liter water. It is inside to make steam. After a complete refill, it can perform 45 minutes long without any wasting. To give break during use, there is a trigger button that you can release. To become heat up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, it does not need more than 15 minutes.